Namaste, welcome back to Prajna Nithya YouTube channel. Today unboxing video is Foldable Drawer Organiser Box. Let's open. Hi friends, now we can keep socks and we can keep kerchiefs also, see, and we are opening like this, and we have one model like this also, and we have zip back side, we can open and close. In this we can keep our inners and shirts. Inners we can keep. Now this is another, we have zip to close and open, and this is the long one, before is short one. In this also we can keep long kerchiefs and like inners, like that we can keep. And we kept like this, and we can keep socks also. And zip to close and open. And this is there. And we can keep kerchiefs. For small things we can keep like kerchiefs and socks. And this is another one. We can keep and we have back side to close and open. We can keep our dryers. See? In one box we can keep kerchiefs and socks and the dryers. Okay friends, you saw no, in these dryers and in these kerchiefs we can remove and we can keep, we can wash and we can keep after drying. Again we can open and we should fold. If it is more space, if you want means you can open. If you don't want means just fold like this and open the zip. This is second one, this is and this type. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment. Bye.